Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showcasing a bandoulière, or also known as a strap, that I bought for my OntheGo, and why I decided that I wanted to make the purchase for the OntheGo. So if you're interested, just keep watching. So this last trip that we made, I had decided that the OntheGo Tote, although I feel like it's something that is very beneficial to me, I really like carrying it, and it, as I mentioned before in previous videos, it is a heavy bag, and when I do carry it, these straps tend to cut into my shoulder here, and it was just something that was very uncomfortable for me. But the bag itself, I like it. In comparison to the Neverfull, which I also have, I felt like this was the better bag, and I don't regret purchasing it in any shape or form. But I did want something that was going to provide me more comfort here. Now, when we were on this trip, I mentioned to my husband that I wanted a bandoulière, or as I would call it, a strap, for the OntheGo. And I was really on the fence about it because I thought, well, how's it going to make it look? Is it going to make it look funky? Or, you know, I just didn't know. But I did know that I needed something to provide some comfort here. And even when I went to the sales associate and asked for it for my OntheGo, she said, oh, it won't fit on the OntheGo. There's nowhere to put it. And I said, well, do you have an OntheGo? Which was really interesting to me that they had an OntheGo at both of the Louis Vuittons that we went to. Now, we went to one where they didn't have the strap, and then we went to Neiman Marcus Louis Vuitton, and they actually had two. And so instead of putting it back in the box and doing an unboxing, I just thought that I would do a realistic unboxing and say that I already unboxed it, I already used it, and it does fit on my OntheGo. Just like in store, we went through the process of putting it on the OntheGo that they had in store, and so it's kind of adjusted to each side of the bag, and so it's kind of diagonal, so it's not a straightaway handle on both sides. And honestly, this helped me be able to carry it a whole lot better. Now, I got the one that has the black in the back. This strap was made in Spain, yay. My bag's from the United States, but the strap is made in Spain. And so let me just kind of show you what it looks like on. Put it on my arm, but right here it hurt really bad because the bag was heavier. I don't have the same stuff in here anymore, but if you have the OntheGo, you know how heavy it can be. I decided to go ahead and get the Monogram strap because I felt like it looked good with the OntheGo. As you know, it has the original pattern here, and then it has the giant size pattern here, and then on this side it has the reverse monogram, giant, and then the normal. But I felt like this strap looked really good with the bag. Even though it has black on the inside, I just kind of felt like it was the best choice. Currently, they don't have a reverse monogram strap or bandoulière in the store that is the reverse monogram. And so this was what I felt was the best choice for me. Now, when I put it on, it provided so much more comfort here. And as you can see, it lowered it a whole lot more. When I only have it on the straps, it comes to here, which is better than the Neverfull in and of itself. But with the strap, I felt like it provided more length between my elbow and the OntheGo. And I felt like it helped in the movement of me just carrying the bag in general. It lets me look in the bag without having to take it off my shoulder. I just felt like there were so many benefits to just getting a strap for this purse. Now, whether you think it doesn't look right with the strap, I don't know. I think it looks okay. I feel like it serves the purpose that I need for it to serve. And it's not adjustable. So the length that it comes in, 35.43 inches in length. It provides a good distance for me from my shoulder to the OntheGo. And I'll put all the details of the strap in the description box. This strap alone costs $495. And if you're buying the OntheGo for the price that it sells for, I think getting the strap is just gonna be an addition to enhancing how you can use the OntheGo. And so for me, I think it was good. It's a solid strap on my shoulder. It doesn't have the tiny little leather cutting into my shoulder. And I haven't tried to put it crossbody. Let me see if I can put it crossbody. There it is, crossbody. If you wanted to wear it crossbody, it feels a little strange, but it's nice that I can do that. If I ever wanted to be hands-free, I can just put it over my head onto my shoulders and just carry it like that. That allows me to be able to move better. And I just think the strap is a good addition to this bag, because if there's no way that I would be able to put these straps over my head and carry this bag like this. And so it just makes it more versatile, more useful. And so that's the reason that I decided to go ahead and buy this strap. So that's just an additional idea that I had for this bag. I really do like my OntheGo tote, but it is extremely heavy. Again, it's a good addition to this bag. And I think I'm gonna enjoy this bag a whole lot better because of the weight. That strap really helps. So thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.